What up, what up, what up, y'all? Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day, y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. All right, y'all. So I did a couple of how-to videos on how to set up QR codes using your Androids and Windows, and also using a website to download your to create your QR codes. Go to my last two videos and y'all will be able to see that. This video, I'm actually show you how to create a QR code using Canva. All right, quick and easy. This shouldn't be too long as well. Even though I have the pro version, I'm actually use the version that is free, so you can see that you can create a QR code without having to pay for anything. Okay, so go ahead and create your account on Canva, and I'll get back with you.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy. On my silent hustle, on my silent hustle. Entrepreneur, showing off my silent hustle. Yeah, go to ezsilenthustle.com. Learn the art of the silent hustle and let your success make the noise. Yeah.
All right, y'all, we back, y'all. All right, so to create a QR code on Canva, you do need to create an account. You can use the free version of it to create a QR code, okay? Once you log in, go ahead and hit Create Design. All right, and for this example, I'm just going to use the dimensions for the logo 500 by 500 pixel, but if you know what your dimension is for your QR code, you can go ahead and put it in on the custom down here at the bottom where it says custom size, okay? But for now, we're just going to choose logo, which is 500 by 500, and that's this particular square right here, okay? All right, to create a QR code, all you're going to do is go right down over here to the left of the screen, right here to the left, and I want you to scroll down. When you scroll down, I want you to click on the word more. Once you click on the word more, I want you to, here we go, right here. I want you to click on QR code. You see that right here? Click on QR code. All right. Then I want you to put whatever you want to send your clients. So if you want them to look at a YouTube video, you're going to put that URL right here. If you want them to go to their website, if you want them to go to your Cash App, your Zelle to pay you, if you want to go to a payment page, or just want to tell them you have built a website on how to lose weight and you have a website, go ahead and put that URL right here on this link, okay? I'm going to put my business name, I Think Web Hosting, on this one. I Think Web Hosting. And look, guys, if you don't know what your URL is, let me go right here right quick. I Think Webhosting.com. I'll go right here to my website. So right here, I'm gonna click the home page for now. And on the home page up at the top, this is your URL, okay? This is exactly where you want them to, where you want to send your client. I don't care what page it is. You're just gonna copy this right here, and you're gonna put it on that particular on this particular part right here. All right. So let's say you just want to send them to your website. Let's say they want a domain name and they trying to get a domain name, and you just out there advertising domain names. I'm just giving another page, you guys. All you're going to do is copy and paste that. So I'm going to copy this right here. Instead of putting the one I got, I'm going to copy. Anybody need a domain name, which is, by the way, $16.99 a year. But go right here, and then you're going to hit paste right here. That's all you're going to do. Hit paste. All right. And once you paste it in there, you're going to hit generate code. And there's your QR code. It's just that simple, guys. It's just that simple. So we created a QR code. This code actually here, and you can scan it right now from your phone. This code right here will go to that particular page. All right, y'all. So, and that's how you create a QR code right there. Y'all look at the other videos, my other videos right before them. This one shows you how to put it on an invoice, or how to add it to your business card or website or landing page. Those are the last two videos I did. So I just wanted to do a quick video on how to create a QR code using Canva. Y'all, that took less than 2 seconds. There you have it. QR code. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and download it. By the way, click download. Once you download it, click right here, click download. So you're going to hit share, and then you're going to hit download. And then when you download it, you're just going to hit the word download right here, okay? Make sure you download it in PNG. Another thing I want to say is, when you download or try to share your QR code, if you have a dark black background, it will not scan. So if you try to share this to an email, and then once you send it to your email, let's say you download it on your phone, and on your phone you have a dark or black background, that QR code will not work. So make sure your background stays white when you're doing it, okay? So click download, and once you click download, you'll see it come up here at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it, and if you scan this right now, it'll go to, I think web hosting on, I don't remember what page I chose, y'all. But until next time, y'all, Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day, y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for when I put up another video. And we out. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy. On my silent hustle, on my silent hustle. Entrepreneur, showing off my silent hustle. Yeah, go to ezsilenthustle.com. Learn the art of the silent hustle and let your success make the noise. Yeah.